Hello, welcome to Cloud Channel. In this module, we will learn how to create and customize an Amazon QuickSight visual. So I will show you how to create a visual in Amazon QuickSight. Before we create and customize this visual, let's talk about what is Amazon QuickSight. Amazon QuickSight is a cloud-scale business intelligence service that we can use to deliver easy to understand insight to the people who we work with or wherever they are. So Amazon QuickSight connects our data in the cloud and combines data from many different sources. In a single data dashboard, QuickSight can include AWS data, third-party data, big data, spreadsheet data, SaaS data, B2B data, and any other data. And it is a fully managed cloud-based service. Amazon QuickSight provides enterprise-grade security, global availability, and built-in redundancy. And also Amazon QuickSight provides the user management tools that we need to scale from 10 users to 10,000 and all with no infrastructure to deploy or manage. And we don't have to worry about what data that users will get. So they will see the data only that we share. And also Amazon QuickSight gives decision makers the opportunity to explore and interpret information in an interactive visual environment. So I will log into AWS Management Console, then I will show you how to create and customize an Amazon QuickSight visual. I'm in the Management Console. I will go to search and just type QuickSight. And under the services, we see QuickSight. I'll click on QuickSight. So here we can see it. It will take us to new page. You can do this one, or I will go back to the Management Console, and I will go down. And here under the Analytics, I can see that QuickSight, and click on that, so that we don't have to go directly to QuickSight, so we can open in the new page. So here I see under the data sets, I will use some sample data set. So we have some of the data sets available that AWS already provided one, and one business review, web and social media analytics, people overview, and sales pipeline. So I will take a data set sales pipeline. So I will use this data set and I will show you how to create a visual and how to customize the visual. So here we can see that sales pipeline, it's import complete, and we have about 20,994 rows were imported to Spice. And let me create analysis. So here we can see on the right side that import is complete, 100% success. And we can see how many rows are imported to Spice, 20,994. And we can see how many rows are skipped. So whenever we are getting data from any source, either it's a CSV file or any other source, a Redshift or Teradata, on the right side, we can see that how many rows imported and how many rows are skipped. I will close this one for now, and I will expand this window. So here on the left, under the data set, I can see all the fields list, active item, date, forecasted monthly revenue, is closed, is latest, lead name, opportunity stage, region, salesperson, segment, target close. So these are all the fields that I see under this data sales pipeline. So I will create a visual and this module that I want to see some of the forecasted monthly revenue for all the segment. So I will select the segment and just click on this segment, or you can also do that remove from visual, and you can also do that add to visual. So now I can see that. I will expand this window a little bit, and here I can see that count of records by segment. Now I want to add this monthly revenue, so I will go to this monthly revenue and add to visual. So here I can see that my segments are SMB, startup, enterprise, and here is the revenue, forecasted monthly revenue, and sum. And also, if you want to see a different aggregate functions like a sum, average, so I will just show you how to select this. Just click on average. Now I can see the average. Just keep that cursor. And also, if you want to sort by ascending, descending order, you can also do that one. And if you want to look at the number, like, currency, we can do that, select currency, and we can customize however we want. So I will just keep it as summary. I will keep this sum of forecasted monthly revenue by segment. And also, if you want to add any additional fields from the data set, we can select from here. Let's say if I want to add a region, I can just click on this, and I can, if you don't want it, so I can remove that one, and then I can add this again, forecasted monthly revenue. So here under the actions, you can see that, like, the title font size. If you want a large, we can do that, select large or select extra large. Let's keep it medium. So here, if you uncheck this, and it doesn't show the title. If you check this, we can see the title, sum of forecasted monthly revenue by segment. Okay, I will go back, and here on the left side you can see that visual types. We can see that visual types, autograph, so the, and the other one, key performance indicator, donut chart, and pie chart. I will select this pie chart now. So here we can see all the segments, enterprise, startup, SMB, and also the revenue. And if I want to select this vertical bar chart and here stacked bar, so we can select anything that we want. So this is how we can customize our visual. So now I will just keep this one. I will keep this default one, horizontal bar chart. And if you want to rename of any of these fields, so we just need to click on the rename. Let's say forecasted monthly revenue, right? I will just say this monthly revenue. So we can rename it using that option, forecasted monthly revenue. And also, if you want to rename this segment, just click on that field and say segment or anything. So we want just say, like, segment test. So we can always, if we don't like the name, we can always change it back. Just say segment. So this is how we can rename these fields. And if you want to expand this window, just click on this maximize window, then we can see the full window. So if you, once we created our visual, if we want to download that visual, then we can download that visual using these options. Click on this menu options and export to CSV file. So now my download started, and then the report is ready. I will just open this file. So here I can see the data. So here I can see the data, the downloaded report, and the segments are enterprise, and this is the monthly revenue, and startup and SMB. And also, if we want to share this report to someone in our organization, we can always do that. Here on the right side, top of the window, we can see that share option. Click on that share and share analysis, and we just need to enter the user and just add and share it. Here I don't have any users available, so that's why I'm not able to share anything. So if I have users available, then I can just select them and share the analysis. And if you want to publish, if we want to publish this analysis on dashboards, we can just select the dashboard and just give a new name and click on this publish dashboard. And we can also click on this advanced options, and if we don't want any of these options, we can just disable all of them and then just publish dashboard. So far in this module, we covered what is Amazon QuickSight and what are the benefits and how does it help to organizations. And we discussed how to create a visual and how to customize it visual and how to download that visual and Amazon QuickSight and how to publish that visual. So if you have any questions on this Amazon QuickSight, please post in the comments. If you like this video, please subscribe and share the channel. Thank you.